Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you're gonna be seeing this simple, super easy Onam makeup look. So I've used only two products for eyeshadow today. So if you wanna know how I got this look, then please keep on watching. I'm starting by nourishing my lips using the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. This is my favorite lip balm. If you have seen my old videos, you would have already known it. And followed by that, I'm using the Smashbox Primer Water to hydrate and prep my skin before the base. Next, for primer, I'm going to be using the NYX Angel Veil Skin Perfecting Primer. So I'm taking a very little amount of the primer and applying it only on the center of my face. So that is where I have maximum texture on. So I'm using it only on the center of my face. Next, I'm using the MAC Pro Conceal and Correct palette, and I'm using the shade NC40 and I'm applying it under my eyes to hide out all the darkness. So you don't have to use exactly the same products that I've used in this video. You can work with whatever you have. So if you have deep and dark pigmentation under your eyes or around your mouth, then please go ahead and use an orange corrector. Don't use an orange corrector just because you see that in the internet. Use products only if it's necessary and if you really feel the need for it. I currently have pigmentation around my mouth, so I'm using the orange corrector around my mouth, and then on top of that I'm going on with the concealer. So I'm applying very little of the corrector and very little of the concealer. So make sure that you take very little and apply around your mouth, because that is the area where it gets cakey very easily. Next, I'm going on with the foundation, and for foundation I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow foundation today. You can use whatever foundation and you can also choose whatever coverage you need. I prefer a sheer coverage, so I'm using the NARS Sheer Glow today, and I'm in the shade Valencia. So I've dotted the foundation all over my face and I'm blending it with the Real Techniques foundation brush. And now I'm setting the foundation with the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I'm setting it only under areas where I really need to set it, that is under my eyes and around my mouth. So I'm not gonna powder all over my face, I'm just powdering on the center of my face. Next, for contour, I'm using the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. So this is an optional step. If you're comfortable, then please go ahead, and you can skip it if you don't want to. I am contouring on my hollows of my cheeks and my forehead and my jawline. I also prefer doing it on the sides of my nose with a smaller brush, and that completes my contour. And I'm also going on with the Milani blush on my cheeks today. This is a peach blush which is very pretty on the skin. And I will be skipping highlighter today. And now let's move on to the eyes. So for eyes, for the eyeshadow base to stick on, I'm applying the same concealer that I used under my eyes and around my mouth. So you need a base for your eyeshadows to stick on so that it will last longer. Now, taking a dark brown eyeshadow on a fluffy brush, I'm applying the eyeshadow on the outer corners as well as the inner corner of my eyes, and I'm blending it seamlessly so that there is no harsh edges. Now this is a completely optional step. I'm using the MAC Pro Longwear paint pot in the shade Indian Wood, and I'm applying it only on the center. Now this will help in intensifying the eyeshadow that we are going to be applying on top. Next, we are going to be applying the eyeshadow on the center. So you can top with whatever shades you want to. I'm going on with the golden eyeshadow for matching my sari today. So I'm applying the golden eyeshadow right on the center. With the fluffy blending brush, make sure that you blend in all the harsh edges so that the eyeshadow blends in seamlessly. Now for eyeliner, I'm using the Inglot eyeliner. So you can choose whatever eyeliner you are comfortable with. I'm very used to applying a wing, so that's why I chose to apply a winged eyeliner. Now for the lower lash line, I know kajal is like the traditional thing for Onam, but since I do not have any, I'm using the same gel eyeliner as a kajal, and I'm applying it with the eyeliner brush on my lower lash line, and I'm smudging it really well so that it is not very thick but it gives a slightly smoky effect. Now for lipstick, I'm using a lip liner first to line my lips, and this is a deep shade compared to that of my lipstick, and I'm using it to line my lips first. Now followed by that, I'm trying to use a orange lipstick, but I was not really comfortable with that, so I went ahead and applied a nude lipstick in the center to make it a little less brighter so that it perfectly matched this look. Also, the most important thing is eyebrows, so please don't forget to fill in your eyebrows. I'm using the Anastasia brow pomade to fill in my eyebrows, and that completes my look today. So that's it, guys. This is my finished makeup look with the sari and the bindi. I know it changes the entire look. I've just curled my hair with my Dyson hair straightener. So if you like the video, then please don't forget to like, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, and I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.